Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. But as you see by today's title, I have some exciting news. I've been holding out just a little because everything was getting in order, but I finally am able to tell you that in today's video, I am going to show you our new house because we have moved again. I say again because we have moved about 2 to 3 times in the past couple of years, trying to find a good space for me and my family. Now, we are technically still renting, however, this is such a bigger space for us. Plus, we have a backyard for the little ones to run around, and everybody has their own room. So, if you would like to see our brand new empty house, come along with me and let's take a tour today. This is my front door entryway. Now, a disclaimer, I was super excited to show you guys everything that I was a little fast in some areas, so if that gets you a little seasick, you can always fast forward, and I do apologize. Also, there is another area in my front door entryway that will be decorated in the future, but I forgot to show you, so I do apologize. And another thing, I did bring a little helper to help show out the house. She will be in the video a lot because she was super excited and we are ready to show you the house. Here she is. This is my little baby girl. Her name is Juno and she was super excited to see the new house, and she is pretty much in every part of the video. So walking right in, you can see all the way towards the back of the house, but we are going to turn around and show you the entryway. It is pretty basic. You have a front door, and right over here, this is our little coat closet that we will use to probably hang all our coats and have the vacuum in it. This is what it looks like on the inside. Like I said, it is a basic coat closet, but it does go up pretty high, so I have room for storage. The best part about this house, not only has it not been lived in yet, but they have these really nice luxurious vinyl flooring that is really durable since we do have a dog and can take up a lot of wear and tear. Once again, from the front entrance, you can see all the way back towards the kitchen and the back door. Now we have this little half wall area. This is part of our living room, which we thought was really cute because the little ones like to play around it. And this is our front entryway. Once again, I am trying to pan out so you can see the size of the living room. Now, living in apartments, if you know, the living room seems to be extra small. So coming into this space, it was plenty of enough room for all of us, and I am super excited to get to decorate it. Another positive thing about this house is that in the living room and in our bedroom, we have vaulted ceilings, so it makes the space feel much bigger. Now here I was just showing you that I might put a couch here, a little bookshelf here, and our TV will go over on this room. But we will turn around and see the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. Now it's pretty small, but it's still bigger than the one that we have in our apartment. This is our little pantry right here, and this is a space where the refrigerator will go. Now, these houses do not come with the refrigerator. However, they have these really nice black appliances. So as a housewarming gift, my parents bought us a refrigerator, and I am super thankful. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for that. We will also be making a little makeshift island in the middle later on, and here is our pantry. Now, this pantry is still quite small, but it's still bigger than the pantry that we have, and we have about 5 shelves, but it is pretty deep and we can store a lot of stuff on the top shelf, as you see here. I do need to get more storage solutions for all of our food, but that will be in a later video. I love to watch organizing videos. If you are into that, let me know down in the comments section. Now, as you see here, this is where the refrigerator goes, and it will be here really soon. It was already ordered and they will assemble it when they get here. Like, I'm just showing you here just a couple of drawers and cabinets. I don't know why. I see people do this all the time. But the funny part is every time I open something, my little doggy here needs to inspect it. She is really good at looking at things and making sure that everything's a-okay. Such a sweet dog. Now, as you see, it's basic cabinetry. I have a little storage here. The cabinets are not soft close, so I don't know why I was trying to show you any of that. We have a basic microwave and a gas range stove, which once again, everything is brand new and hasn't been used yet. So I am showing you the inside of our oven. I don't know why. And once again, my little doggy needed to see what was inside. Do have a basic sink, but in our apartment now we do have a deep sink. So we have been spoiled for the past year with that. So it will be a new learning experience. Once again, here is underneath the sink. I'm not really sure why I showed you that. We do have a brand new dishwasher that we're excited to use. And then we have a window above the sink, which I absolutely love, that I can see the backyard in. Now we are going to go back into the hallway. This door right here is the master bedroom. And then this is technically our little hallway to the right. And here is my master bedroom door. I don't know why I closed it, but for a entrance, here it is. I opened the door and it did not open all the way. So I am pushing it open. Now, this is a nice size room for me and my spouse because in apartments, we always gave the master bedroom to my little ones so that they could have a bigger room since they do have a lot of toys and stuff that they share. But now we finally have a master bedroom. As you see here, there are 3 doors, one to get into the room. This one is the closet, which is really long and narrow. However, it will fit all of our stuff really nicely, and we do have 2 shelves in there. We will probably add a 3rd one in the center as my dog is sniffing it. And then we do have a ensuite, which is basic. We have a tub, a shower, toilet, and a sink, which I really want to give this room a makeover. If you want to see any home makeovers, please let me know down in the comment section below. I really want to put like a shelving unit over here and add more decor and maybe give it a nice paint job. Once again, the flooring is all throughout the house and I absolutely love it. And then we have 2 windows in our room which give off really nice lighting. So we are going to head back outside of my door down the little hallway. Now, this is technically a little hallway, I guess. Right here is where the little half wall is for the living room, and my kids just love to hang on the little poles that are holding up the wall pretty much. So walking further down this hallway over to the left, right here is the guest bathroom, which will also act as my kids' bathroom, and I'm really excited to give this one a makeover too. The good thing about this bathroom though, they have the shower, the tub, the sink, and the toilet, but they also have this little built-in shelf already, which can hold all of their toiletries and extra towels and all of that over here, which I absolutely love. Any extra storage space is always a plus in our eyes because living in apartments for a long time, we don't get that much space. So when we saw this house and we saw that there was a lot of closet space and extra storage solutions, we were really happy. Over to the right, as you see here, here is another closet, and this one's really long, so it can hold a lot of stuff, which we'll probably put like extra bed linen and extra towels maybe. And then over to the left, here is another bedroom. This is the 2nd biggest bedroom in this house, and this room will be for my youngest child. It is super cute, and it has this little rounded wall over to the side here, and they already saw it and have so many ideas on how they want to decorate it, which is super fun and exciting for everyone. As you see here, here's that little curved wall. It is super cute and plenty of space for my little one. It also has walk-in closets, which we are loving right now. Once again, more storage solutions to house all of their clothes and toys. Turning around, we will head back out towards the hallway area and take another left. Now there are 2 doors. There's another room here, and then there's the laundry room on that side. So we will take a right into the next bedroom. This will be for my eldest, and they have their own room finally since having a sibling. They've been sharing a room for a long time and they're ready to have their own room. Once again, they have a nice window to give off a lot of light, and they also have a walk-in closet. This is plenty of space for them because they are super excited just to have their own space. Once again, this is a really nice size and extra storage solutions for all of their stuff and clothes as well. They are really excited. They already told me what type of style room that they want, and we are already looking at paint samples, and they are just getting so excited, and I am too, because I get to make these memories with my little ones. So heading back out towards the hallway, we are going to go forward, and this is technically going to be the laundry room. Well, it is a laundry room. We have a small laundry room in the apartment, but it is really tight and cramped, and we're so glad that we have a dedicated laundry space. This will fit a side-by-side laundry washer and dryer, which we will buy shortly because we have a lot of clothes. What I love about this room also, that it comes with some built-in shelving, as you see here, and a little hang up area to dry the clothes if needed. This room is really nice and spacious since what we are coming from, and like I said, it will fit a side by side, but for some reason this day I thought we could fit a little shelving unit over to the side because I just had a vision of that, but I definitely need to measure and make sure. Now there is another door, and that leads to a 2-car garage. I am super excited for this room, and I forgot to mention it at the beginning, but we also have a 2-car garage, which once again is a perfect storage solution, especially coming from apartments. We don't have extra room for all of our decorations and stuff like that, so we finally have a little area. My spouse already claimed this little area over here for the tools section, which is perfectly fine with me. And we will get a little built-in over there soon, hopefully. Like I said, this is a 2-car garage, so there's plenty of space to hold extra supplies and my decor pieces and all of that. We are just so happy to have one because living in apartments, finding a parking spot some nights are just really hard, and we have to park really far away. So we're just so glad to finally have our own little parking space. Now heading back into the house, we're gonna head right down the hallway as you see my little pup running, which is another great thing about this house because we're living in a tiny apartment on the 3rd floor. So when they get the zoomies, I always get fearful of the people downstairs getting upset. So we finally have our own little space. So walking right back into the living room, into the little hallway area, we are going to walk out this back door into our yard. We finally have a yard, which was a must-have on this next move journey, and we finally got one which has a privacy fence, which I absolutely love. We needed something to have our private oasis in, and the kids just needed a yard space to run around and play. So for my little doggy as well, just to go out and have the zoomies and not worry about upsetting anybody. And this yard is just enough space for us. We already tried it out, had them running around, and it was super fun. But this is it. We do have a little side yard over here that houses our AC unit, but as for the yard space, we are super grateful and happy just to have it. Another great thing about this yard is that we have no backyard neighbors. We have them off to the side, but behind us is just a forest area, so I don't need to worry about making too much noise. Well, that completes today's empty house tour. I am so glad that you clicked on today's video. Thank you for taking the time and touring my new home with me. I am super excited to get in here and start decorating and making more content for you. So if that is something that you wish to see, let me know down in the comment section below. Remember, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free. Plus, don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you when I upload a new video. And I would love for you to be part of my virtual art family. If you already subscribed, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It really does help out my channel. I'm super excited to start videoing in my new home, and if you are too, let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and as always, I will see you in the next one.